个是78块钱。哎，对，阿姨您刷一下卡啊。
In a community canteen for the elderly in Minhang District, a set of smart facilities has just been added to better cater to customers. It took only a few seconds at the checkout, with the price of each dish shown on the screen when a senior places his tray on the machine. And of more importance is the increase in menu variety.
We used to have limited choices. Now we have more choices and can order whatever we want. It's much more convenient and it saves time.
The secret lies in the smart system that tracks sales. A small chip was added to the bottom of each plate, which stores the information of the dishes. With the system, canteen managers will know which are the best sellers and replace dishes that do not sell well. This is just one of 100 such canteens the city plans to build, which will feature unmanned operations and perhaps even robot chefs. With the use of an algorithm and artificial intelligence, similar smart systems and high-tech facilities will be adopted in the community to boost its governance and help ensure a convenient and secure living environment for residents.
数字化转型呢，我们一方面呢是我们的 AI 食堂。
Our digitalization efforts, such as AI canteens and smart elderly care, have solved many problems. But in terms of providing high-quality public services and resources, we still have much room for improvement. We need to expand investment in services before residents can benefit from digitalization measures.
The digitalization trend is driving the city's endeavor to build itself into a smart city of global influence, with at least 50 scenarios to be digitalized by the end of 2035. For instance, the city plans to build over 50,000 charging poles for electric vehicles and realize digitalization in 90% of schools and over 1,000 hotels.
相信呢，就是未来，比如说我们的
I believe public venues such as museums and art galleries will be upgraded after the establishment of a smart and digital city. Services like elderly care, education, and medical care still need to be improved.
An average of 120,000 forms and applications for various documents are submitted to the Shanghai government each day. About 50% of those are submitted through the government's website. 苏思琪，上海 Live。